Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Victoria's Secret MENA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the My Account button. And if you scroll down, at the end, look for the Customer Service button and just click on that. And then click on the Contact Us button. And as you can see, there are two options. So first you can write them an email. You have to give your first and your last name, your mobile number and your email address. You can select like a feedback option. And in order to make the customer services work a bit easier, give them your order number, and maybe if you have any missing items from your order, give them what they are, and then lastly type your message. If you want to contact them through mobile, then click on the mobile section, and it's basically the same. I think they will just contact you through your phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.